Good day, my friends. This is Small Steps Tai Chi. Welcome. My name is Lana. We're filming episode number 5 of our series, 20 Weeks to Inner Calm. So if you like, you can look at weeks 4, 3, 2, and 1 before this one. But the focus today is grasp the bird's tail, the movement, grasp the bird's tail. Let's warm up our ankles, wrists, and hips before we start. So just roll your wrists like this. Good. And your ankles. Very good. And your hips. Both ways. Very nice. And let's face 12 o'clock. So I'm going to turn my back to you guys, but you face 12 o'clock. This is our 12. Behind us, 6. To our left is 9, and to our right is 3. So we will start in this position. Hold the chi ball, standing on your right leg, left foot to base, and the left hand is below your navel, right hand is in front of your heart. And just settle, ground here, and look over your left shoulder, bring your left heel down. Your left arm will move to your left, the right arm will move to your right, but then the right arm move back. And now both arms, as we bend our knees a little bit, will move to our right. We make this pretty circle with our right hand, and then our hands come together like patty cake, but the right fingers are up, left fingers are horizontal. And now as we bend our knees, we move all the way to the left to our 9 o'clock, and then we separate the hands and we make a circle in front of our chest like this. And then was grasp the bird's tail to the left. Now we will do it to the right. There are 2 of these movements. So we just transfer the weight to the right leg and then back to the left leg, bringing the right hand below the navel, left hand in front of your heart. And just look over your right shoulder and bring your right heel down. The arms move in the opposite directions. Left arm comes back, and now we bend our knees. We move like water and make a circle with your left, opening the palm up toward the sky very slowly. Bring your hands together like this, gentle. Grasp the bird's tail. So we hold our bird gently, not to hurt. And we make a circle right here in front of our chest, like this. Very good. Let's do this again. So, stand in your stance, head high, tailbone is relaxed, your knees are soft. Transfer your weight into your right leg and hold the chi ball. Look over your left shoulder, step your left heel down, and then the whole foot down as our arms float in the opposite directions. And then the right arm comes back. And now bend your knees, swing slowly all the way to the right or our 3 o'clock. Turn your hand, make a circle like this. Bring your palms together. See how the fingers are vertical and horizontal like this. And swing through slowly all the way here to the left and separate and make a circle and let go. Very good. Turning to 12 o'clock. This movement consists of 2 parts, and now we transfer the weight into the left leg and see how the left hand is in front of your heart, right hand just below your navel like this. Very good. And now look over your right shoulder and the right heel steps down. The right arm floats to the right, left to the left, and then the left arm moves back, meets the right hand, and we make a circle. And we breathe. Very good. And let's do this movement one more time. Take a deep breath. Get into your stance. Head high, hips low. Sit in your legs. Settle in your legs like you're sitting on a horse. And bring your left foot to base. Hold the chi ball. Right hand in front of your heart. Left hand below your navel. Left heel down. Our arms move slowly in the opposite directions. Right arm moves. And now both arms together as we swing our weight through. Now let's make our circle, our special circle. And patty cake. And slowly and gently we move all the way to 9 o'clock. Separate and exhale. Good. Now let's do the same movement but mirror reflection. So we shift our weight into the right leg first, then back into the left, because we will stand on our left leg. Bring the right foot to base. Right hand below your navel, left above. And they're pretty close to your body, like this. Good. And step your right heel down, and then the whole foot. Good. And the the left arm moves, catches up with the right. Bend both knees. Swing through. Left hand makes a circle, palm opens up like this, and patty cake. And gentle, gentle, moving all the way across. Separate your hands and exhale, let go. Very good. So, we did this movement a few times. Now let's connect it to a couple of movements that we were working on before. We'll start in Play the Lute, so you can go back and look at week 4, 3, 2, and 1 to see the movements before Grasp the Bird's Tail. So we'll start here in Play the Lute. Relax your body, settle, play the lute, breathe, feel your fingers, feel your feet, feel your whole body. Move at the speed of your awareness and breathe. So this movement is step back and Repulse Monkey, or we can call it step back and calm your mind. Stay present. Stay with yourself. That's why we do Tai Chi. So in this movement, our toe hits the ground first, unlike all the other movements. Now we're arriving into hold the chi ball, and we float now into grasp the bird's tail. Flow like a river. Fill your arm and your leg with your weight. Good. Right arm comes back. Bend both knees. Make a circle with your right. Hold gently. And release. Turn to 12 o'clock. Hold the chi ball, transfer your weight into the left. Good. And the right heel steps down. Right arm moves to the right, left to the left. And then the left arm change direction. Everything is moving. Like water and like life. Bringing the hands together. Gentle movement all the way to the right. Separate the hands and circle in front of your chest. and let go. Very good. And let's do this movement one more time. Not the movement, but these three movements, one more time. So let's start and play the lute. And moving into step back and repulse monkey. So this is how we learn, by repeating these movements many, many times. And I know that you will learn. Don't get discouraged. We just need to practice a few minutes every day until we become comfortable. Hold the chi ball, and now the new movement, grasp the bird's tail. Bend both knees, slowly, slowly swing through, circle, and press gently and release. Transfer the weight into the right first, and then left. Hold the chi ball, right heel down, left arm moves to join the right, bend both knees, and make a circle, patty cake, all the way through, and release. Very good. Thank you so much for joining us today. Thank you for learning Tai Chi. I hope that you have a wonderful day and that you walk on your path with gentleness and care. Thank you, my friends, and I hope to see you in the next video.